Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Sign into your VPN account and copy the server address. Once done, open Settings and choose Network or VPN. Make sure you have admin rights so changes save. Select Add VPN Profile, pick the protocol your provider recommends, and paste the server address. You are starting the configuration now, not later, because these core values determine compatibility and encryption strength. Now continue by entering credentials and detailed settings. You will type the username and password exactly, then add the pre-shared key or upload the certificate if required. This authenticates you. Next, choose encryption and DNS options. Use provider DNS for privacy or custom DNS for control. Make sure to enable or disable split tunneling depending on whether you want local traffic outside the tunnel. Once these fields are set, save the profile so you can connect. To finish, connect and verify the tunnel. You should click Connect and wait for a connected status, then confirm your IP and location changed and test access to the sites you need. If performance is slow, try a different server or protocol. Make sure to enable auto-connect for convenience. If things go wrong, check credentials first, then protocol compatibility, firewall rules, and provider logs. These steps reveal whether the issue is local, server-side, or configuration-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.